All right, hello everybody, this is Miss Pei again. Today we're just going to kind of go over a review from geometry, and we're looking at triangles. And as you can see, this shape is built up of a whole bunch of right triangles, and these are special right triangles. This is basically a cutout of what a shell would look like. And in each case, all of these triangles, they go around and around and around and around. In each inside angle is 30 degrees all the way around. All of these angles are 30 degrees. This outside angle is always 60 degrees, and then the 90 degrees is this angle here. Okay. I know that most of you are not used to seeing right triangles upside down. Most of you are used to seeing them where you have, let me draw one real quick. That's supposed to be a triangle, but most of you are used to seeing the base where it's like this. Don't be surprised if it's not like that. All those same properties work if your 90-degree angle is up here. Okay, and if this is the case, then this is your hypotenuse, and this is your short side. We'll call that short side A, and then this is your longer leg B. Okay. And then a couple things that you should know about the special right triangles, your 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, is that the length of the hypotenuse in a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle is twice the length of the shorter leg, and the length of the the longer leg is the square root of 3 times the length of the shorter leg. Okay. Hopefully you learned this in geometry. We will be going over it again later on in this class. I just wanted to kind of review this concept with you. So let's say we have, oh man, I can't believe I just did that. Let me get rid of all these red lines here. Okay. Let's go with blue. So let's say we know that the hypotenuse is, the length of the hypotenuse is x, okay? So, and we wanted to know the length of the shorter leg and the longer leg. Well, if the hypotenuse is twice as long as the short leg, then the short leg would be x divided by 2. Okay, so short leg is x divided by 2. We times that by 2 to get the hypotenuse, so it would just be x. And then the length of the longer leg is the square root of 3 times the length of the shorter leg. So we know that this is the shorter leg, and then this is the longer leg. So to find this length here, it would be x divided by 2 times the square root of 3. Okay. On Wednesday, we're going to do an activity that has to do with this shape here. And we need to keep finding, or we need to find the length of each of the long legs here and here and here. Okay. And notice with this shape is this long leg here is the hypotenuse for this triangle. Okay. So if this is the hypotenuse, now for this short leg here, we divide this shape by 2 again. So this length would be x times the square root of 3 divided by 4, because if you have this times 1/2, you multiply the denominators together, so you get divided by 4. Okay, move that. Oops. All right, and then to get this long leg here, again, we're going to take our short leg and multiply it by the square root of 3. So we'd have x over 4, and then the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is just 3. Okay? And then this pattern is going to continue all the way around. We'll take this shape, or this information here for the hypotenuse of this third triangle, and divide it by 2 to get the short side. So let me change, I want to have the number in front of the variable. So instead of 3/4 times x, it would be 3 divided by 8 and times x. Okay, and then this side here, we would multiply this by the square root of 3. So it would be 3. No, my 3's don't look all that good. Sorry, guys. Let me see if I can do a better 3. It would be 3 times x times the square root of 3 all over 8. Okay, and the pattern would keep on going. All right, so you might want to take notes on this. I know there's no section in your notebook to take notes on it. Use some of the blank pages where you've taped stuff onto your notebook to jot this down so that in class on Wednesday you'll have it and you'll be ahead of the game. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.